Pause for a second. Think to yourself, what am I doing to actually make my own life harder? You might be the cause of a lot of your own stress and your own anxiety. I realized the other day that I had this elaborate morning routine that was taking me so much time that I wasn't even getting out of the house to go to the coffee shop to get to work for about an hour. And then when I was there, I was stuck doing more work. So think to yourself, what are you doing to make things harder? And cut them out. Try something different.